Today we're going to be shooting the first video of several on this 2001 Chrysler Sebring that I'm reconditioning, and then I'm going to give the car away, but you could use this series to recondition any car that you want to get ready to resell. The first issue with this car is that it is not shifting out of first gear. It has a P0700 code, which is a communication error between the TCM and the ECU. So there are three common problems that will cause that. One is the shift solenoid pack, one is a wire that runs from the TCM to ECU, and the other is the TCM itself. I didn't see any videos on YouTube, or at least any good videos on how to change the TCM, so hopefully I can provide a good clear illustration as to how to change it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and get started on that right now. Alright, so right here is the TCM. Right now we need to get this out of here, and there is this 8mm bolt here, and then a 10mm bolt back here, and then this should come up out, and I believe right in here that's a 10mm as well, and that just holds the harness into the TCM. So we're going to start with the 8mm. Now the 10mm, so we should be able to pull this. Up and out. Okay, so that is actually an 8mm. Alright, so now I'm just going to remove these four 10mm bolts. So here's the old one. Here's the new one. So one thing I did read is that we want to make sure these part numbers are the same. So we got P0700692681. So this should be the same one. This one's missing the plug here, so I'm going to take that off the old one. Okay. I'm going to put it back in place, put all the bolts back in, and I'm going to take it for a drive, and hopefully it'll shift out of first gear. Alright, time for the test drive. Alright, we got a good sign. The check engine light is off. It just shifted. Alright. That's the fuel light. The guy that sold it to me must have siphoned the fuel out of it. So we're going to take a real quick short drive here. Yes, sir. Shifting just fine. Well, this was a successful repair. Hopefully you found this to be helpful. Hopefully it took care of the problem that you have, or it takes care of the problem that you have. And if you find this content to be helpful, I'll be doing a few more things to this car. If you are interested in seeing more content on this car, just subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and we'll have some more content for you. Thanks for watching.